Good morning, coffee lovers. Today, we're brewing up something special with the Hamilton Beach FlexBrew coffee maker. With a solid 4.5-star rating, this versatile machine promises to be the hero of your mornings. So, let's find out what makes it a must-have in your kitchen. The Hamilton Beach FlexBrew isn't just any coffee maker. It's a game changer for both single-serve lovers and those of us who need a full pot to get through the day. Let's dive into what makes this machine stand out. The FlexBrew truly lives up to its name, offering two ways to brew. Whether it's a single K-cup pack for yourself or a full 12-cup carafe to share, this machine has you covered. And what's amazing is the separate water reservoirs for each brewing side, making it super easy to manage your water levels for the perfect brew every time. Wake up to the aroma of freshly brewed coffee thanks to its programmable timer. Plus, with auto pause and serve, you can grab a cup before the brew cycle finishes. I absolutely love the 2-hour auto shut-off feature. It's perfect for those busy mornings when you rush out the door and forget to turn off your coffee maker. Cleaning is a breeze with the removable parts, especially the pack-piercing needle, ensuring your machine stays clog-free and ready for your next brew. No one likes a messy cleanup, and Hamilton Beach has really thought of everything to make maintenance as painless as possible. After using the FlexBrew for a few weeks, I'm impressed by the flavor of the coffee it brews, both from K-cup packs and ground coffee. The 4.6 flavor rating, absolutely justified. The Hamilton Beach FlexBrew is a versatile, user-friendly, and efficient coffee maker that deserves its 4.5-star rating. Whether you're entertaining guests or just making your morning cup, it delivers on its promise of flexibility and flavor. That's it for our review of the Hamilton Beach FlexBrew coffee maker. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more reviews just like this one. I'm Derek, and I'll see you in the next video.